Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiffany Nicole. In today's video, I am doing a unboxing of the new Steve Madden shoes. I did purchase, let's see. I did purchase two pairs. I purchased the blush and the baby blue, and I also purchased one of the fanny pads that go with one of the pair of shoes, and I think they were the baby blue. But I only received one package so far, and I ordered these like back in December, so I'm just now receiving them. I've received them like 2 days ago. So this is one of 3 of my packages. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it, y'all. So this is the box, and it says Steve Madden. So let me open her up. So this is just basically my receipt that I ordered the blush, and I ordered a size 6.5. And the price was $82.95 with tax $8.30. So my total price was $91.25. Alrighty, here. Oh my God, y'all. Looking at these online and looking at these face to face, these are so cute. Oh my God, let me turn my light on so y'all can see. Hold on. Okay. Oh, look at these. Hold on. Look at these, y'all. Okay, check out the bling. The bling is where it got me, y'all. The bling is right here, and then on the other side is like here and there. Like, these are so cute. But yeah, these are so cute. These are so adorable. Like, I love them. Like, I can't wait till I get my baby blue. And then I honestly can't remember which fanny pack I ordered. I'm not sure if it was this color or the baby blue, but either way it go, I'm gonna be satisfied. Like, I love the thickness at the bottom. Like, they're the what is this? Oh my God, I cannot think of the name. But it's like, you know, this cute little platform, but it's like kind of like, what is this? It's good for, you know, people with bad feet, kind of, honestly. But these are so cute. Like, I can tell these are so comfortable. Usually look at the front of them, y'all. Oh my God, look at the front of these. Look at that. Their studs are in there. Those are so cute. Like, if anybody that knows me knows that I love bling. Like, that's my name on like all of my social media platforms. Like, I love bling. These are so cute. So like I was saying, I got a 6.5. I normally wear a size 6, but usually in name brand items like the shoes, I do go up a size because they seem to run a little small. So that's why I got a 6.5. But y'all, these are so cute. Oh my God. So let me put the other shoe on, and then I'll show you guys how they look on my feet. Like, I am I've never been this excited before. So like I've ordered like shoes from Steve Madden before, and their shipping was like pretty fast, but I think just because these were like a new release, and honestly, they when I ordered them, they told me that they're not going to be shipped out until like February or March. So at least they did let me know. So they actually came a little early, or did they come like right on time? I think they said it should be here by February 25th, and they came by that time. And then I think my baby blue ones, they come next month in March. So I'm so excited to get those. And that's my favorite color, like blue. They are very comfortable. So let me show y'all my feet. Okay, so as you can see, these are the shoes. These are how they look on my feet. They are so cute. They are very, very comfortable. I cannot wait to wear them out. I don't have an outfit in mind just yet, but I really want to just wear something cute and just pop out with these shoes. Like, these are so cute. Like, so cute. So, like I said, I think let me just go over the price again. So, they were $82.95, $91.25 with shipping. Shipping and tax. No, with the tax. The shipping was free. So, that was the tax. They came when they said they were going to come. They said they came when they said they, can't I get that right? They came when they said they were going to come. That's it. So y'all need to order these shoes. They are so cute. Like, all of the colors that they offer, so cute. Like, so cute. And I just cannot wait to get my other pair. So make sure y'all go cop these shoes. These are like very cute for like this spring, summer, coming up. Dress these with some real cute and comfy. Like, oh my God, these are so cute. Like, I cannot wait to wear those. Wear them out or whatever. So yeah, I can't wait to wear them out. I gotta find me a cute outfit. I may do me like a get ready with me, showing y'all how I style these. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions about these shoes, please leave them down below and I will be sure to answer your question. Mwah.